In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create booking pages in Google Calendar. We'll use Calendly to make a clean booking experience that syncs directly to your Google Calendar so every meeting ends up in the right place without back and forth emails. Start by heading to Calendly in your browser and signing into your account. This is where your booking page lives and where it connects to your Google Calendar behind the scenes. As long as your account is already linked to Google Calendar, anytime someone books, the event will appear on your calendar automatically. From your dashboard, click Create and choose to make a new event type. This is the template your invitees will see, and it controls all the details of your meeting. Give it a clear name and description so people immediately understand what the session covers and who it's for. Next, choose the duration. Set how long you want the meeting to last, commonly 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Think about the typical flow of your conversations and build in enough time to cover introductions, the main discussion, and wrap up. If you often need a breather between calls, consider shorter durations or add buffers within the scheduling options so you're not stacked back to back. Now choose the location. Pick the option that best fits how you meet. A Google Meet link for easy calendar integration, a phone call, a physical address, or another video platform. If you go with Google Meet, Calendly will generate a unique link for each booking, which is convenient for both you and your guests. Set your availability so people can only book when you're actually free. Define the days and hours you want to offer and tailor them to match your work routine. You can also fine-tune things like the minimum scheduling notice, how far into the future people can book, and the start time intervals to keep your schedule tidy and predictable. If you charge for this session, choose payment, turn it on and select your currency and price. When enabled, invitees will pay at the time of booking, which helps reduce no-shows and keeps your process streamlined. If you don't charge, simply leave this off. When everything looks good, click Create to save your event type. Calendly will put it live and make it ready for sharing. Finally, click Copy Link. Share this link in emails, your website, or your signature. Anyone who books through it will see your real-time availability, choose a time, and the confirmed event will land in your Google Calendar automatically. That's it, your booking page is ready to go.